Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation today. We are Zestaroma. This is round 3, execution and scale up. Let's watch a video first.
Từ hơn 7.000 năm trước, con người đã biết tạo ra một loại đất đen giúp nâng cao năng suất và giữ gìn độ màu mỡ của đất. Đó chính là than sinh học. Ngày nay, loại than này đã được các nhà khoa học công nhận và mệnh danh là vàng đen trong lĩnh vực sản xuất nông nghiệp.
First, let's talk about our social business description. Our social mantra is upcycling citrus waste into biochar and oils, fostering green growth and zero emissions. Our goal is to create a future of net zero agriculture by transforming citrus waste into valuable resources. This will help fostering a thriving ecosystem and sustainable low-carbon economy. We are committed to upcycling citrus waste to enrich soil health, empower farmers, encourage a circular economy, and champion sustainability. Let's move on to our business model overview. About economics, we elevate Vietnamese agriculture through circular economy, creating jobs and improving incomes for local communities, especially women and vulnerable groups. Zestaroma impacts society by enhancing quality of life with clean and safe agricultural products and better living environment. Environmentally, our products reduce pollution from agricultural waste, combat climate change, and enhance soil quality. Let's evaluate market potential. Vietnam is a country of agriculture. However, this raises three problems. First, rice land is the largest source of greenhouse gas emissions in agriculture, over 89,000 tons of CO2 emitted per year. Second, the average amount of agricultural byproducts produced is at a terrible level. The above problems cause many hectares of land in Vietnam to become barren, suffering from alum, acidity, and salinity. Every year, the amount of fertilizer needed for soil improvement is about 10 to 15 million tons a year. The global biochar market in general has an extremely strong growth rate, forecast to grow by more than 15% by 2027. The global biochar market in general has an extremely strong growth rate, forecast to grow by more than 15 by 2029. So we can see our target market's potential is very high. However, we meet a quite small competitions landscape. The first competition, biochar productions in a coal pit style, has been used in ancient times, but it is still used today. However, this competitor causes a lot of pollution and also produce products of low quality. In second competition, this opponent is not too big, although their technology is more improved and less polluting. Biochar is heated for hours, but the amount of live charcoal is still very high. Today, thanks to the applications of modern technology, scientists around the world can produce biochar in only about 30 minutes. However, the cost of installing this machinery system and production line is quite expensive. Although the market is developing and there is little competition, the development opportunity for the project is very high, as Vietnam has now joined COP26, committed to reducing net emissions. In addition, Vietnam has set a goal of striving to reach the top 15 in the world in organic agriculture before 2030. Next, we dive into Zestaroma resources and capabilities to execute. Led by a dedicated team of Hanoi University of Industry experts and all excellent teachers with a lot of experience leading scientific research, competition team with students in finance, logistics, and agriculture. Zestaroma is equipped for business expansion and innovation. We cooperate with Associate Professor Dr. Mai Văn Chinh, Director of Institute of Environment and Agriculture. Zestaroma is securing biochar brand rights and collaborating with agricultural and environmental institutes to enhance product development. The project collaborates with Dr. Mai Văn Chinh, Director of Institute of Environment and Agriculture, with extensive experience in biotechnology research and development. Funding through Hanoi University of Industry, personal investment, and crowdfunding aims to raise $100,000 to build a large-scale biochar plant. Initial profits will fund further expansion. Promoting circular economy concepts in local citrus growing areas, Zestaroma has established partnerships and raised awareness about ESG practice, enhancing agricultural values, and gaining farmer support. Zestaroma utilizes citrus waste from processing plants and farms, ensuring stable and high-quality input materials. Collaborations ensure efficient biochar production. The biochar product ready for market effectively improves soil fertility, increases crop yields, and reduces CO2 emissions. Trials have shown significant increases in rice yields and improved soil structure in degraded areas like Sochan and Tadinway. In the process of researching and manufacturing products, In the process of researching and manufacturing products, Zestaroma may encounter the following risks. Competitive risks. To address this, Zestaroma has a pioneer enterprise in using orange peels and grapefruit peels in combination with straw to create biochar, should register the product's trademark from outset to limit potential imitations. Risk of lack of supply. To mitigate this, Zestaroma is researching the use of alternative fuels to produce biochar and is exploring different types of biomass as raw materials to avoid supply shortages and competition. To minimize legal risks, Zestaroma is implementing technological productions and product innovation to ensure adherence to safety standards and to complete the necessary legal documentation, establishing the legal status of the business in the future. While our ESG performance ESG and its impact are important to Zesaroma. Traditional trash disposal emits 28% of Vietnamese greenhouse gases. For example, burning rice straw in the field creates smoke and dust and affects microorganisms and soil fertility. High temperature fire dries and hardens soil, turning organic materials into poisonous inorganics like lead, zinc, and arsenic. The increased emissions from agricultural waste treatment harm the ecosystem and reduce land fertility. Zesaroma addresses environmental difficulties with orange peels, grapefruit, and straw. After extracting essential oils from the peel, the waste is combined with straw and incinerated. The anaerobic process creates charcoal. These techniques reduce greenhouse gas emissions by not emitting carbon dioxide during pyrolysis. Biochar also increase soil porosity, improving long-term water retention and moisture maintenance. This improves soil and plant root biology of chemical processes in land and crops' biological health. Zestaroma may be affected by external factors. Our materials can be burned due to large-scale fires, or most often weather problems that wash away and lose crops. In addition to external factors from the production process itself, we can also face risks when the wastewater is not treated in time due to overload. In addition to greenhouse gas emission risks, the soil may be affected by external factors such as natural disasters during collections and transportation in dry weather. To minimize environmental risk, we propose the following strategies in particular: using advanced low pollution production technology, plant to source sustainably, either locally or in neighboring areas with abundant resources. Creating partnerships with cooperatives and production companies certified to comply with sustainable farming methods will be crucial. The company invests in leadership development programs to strengthen leadership compatibilities, establish a strong strategic vision and direction, and attract and retain talent. About choosing the ESG measurement framework, Zestaroma cooperating with Institute of Agricultural Environment help assess advanced technology and expertise to produce high-quality biochar. In 2022, Zestaroma began a project to extract essential oils and organic charcoal tablets from orange and grapefruit peels. We participate in students with ESG initiatives. These competitions heighten our awareness of ESG principles. We realize that sustainable development is crucial for long-term business survival. We truly understand what a circular economy is when we join students with six startup ideas. Jury gave us two questions that make a change of the product. Zestaroma now aims to separate essential oils from citrus peels and produce biochar. We truly understand what a circular economy is when we join students with six startup ideas. Jury gave us two questions that make the change of the product. Just Aroma now aims to separate essential oils from citrus peels and produce biochar. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you for watching us, and we hope you support Zestaroma.